Here's my new fucking...
Have you ever wondered about the enigmatic advice that could mint fortunes or lead to financial ruin? Today we embark on a journey into uncharted waters, Andrew Tate's financial wisdom. But beware, this isn't your average stroll through money matters. It's a quest veiled in mystery. From the polarizing to the groundbreaking, Andrew Tate's insights have sparked debates and drawn curious glances. But what lies beneath the surface of his financial counsel? Join me in unraveling the enigma, separating the pearls from the pebbles. This isn't just about advice, it's about deciphering the code that could unlock financial success or lead to a treacherous path. Prepare to navigate Andrew Tate's financial labyrinth, where each word can lead to success or failure. There's no fluff, just the unfiltered truth behind his advice. Let's embark on this journey into Andrew Tate's world of financial wisdom.
Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate.
Self-made millionaire has built a $900 million fortune
I first made my millions of dollars. The first time I ever became a millionaire was with webcam.
through relentless determination, strategic thinking, and a commitment to his goals. His finance advice, which is based on personal experience, has helped many people attain financial success. Here are some of his top financial tips. Number 1. Don't be afraid to take risks.
If I have a situation now where I have a play to make and it seems semi-risky, I'll think, well, future Andrew's even better than current Andrew. So future Andrew, 4 years from now, he'll fix it. Let's say it goes wrong. Future Andrew's got it. If current Andrew can pull X off, future Andrew can pull Y off. So we're gonna take the riskier option with a bigger reward, for example. Obviously, you don't have to be stupid. And I trust future self even more than I trust my current self, if that makes sense. So
Tate argues that many people are too scared to try new things or invest in themselves due to fear of failure or financial loss. He believes this fear limits their potential. He encourages individuals to be bold and confident and to take calculated risks that could yield long-term benefits. Number 2, create multiple sources of income. Tate states that relying on one source of income is risky and inefficient. He suggests that people should diversify their income streams by creating passive income, such as online businesses, stocks, or real estate. He also encourages people to learn new skills and leverage their talents to create more value and earn more money. Number 3, live below your means. Tate asserts that many individuals squander money on unnecessary or undesired items like lavish cars, clothes, or gadgets. According to him, these items do not bring happiness or wealth, but ensnare people in a cycle of debt and consumerism. He recommends living frugally and saving money for significant purposes like investments, education, or travel. The worst financial advice. While Andrew Tate has offered some beneficial financial advice, he has also made a few contentious statements. Here are some of his most dubious financial suggestions. Don't save money.
Of course, the old guy is going to sit there and go, save your money, put it in a savings account, get a mortgage. Bro, of course that worked for you. You were putting money in a savings account, getting 4% interest. Yeah. Now they won't even give us 1%. You're putting your money in a savings account. You bought a house for 85 grand. Now it's worth $500,000.
Andrew Tate has proposed that saving money is a waste of time and that the focus should be on earning more. Although increasing income is important, the value of saving money for financial stability and security should not be overlooked. Dismiss financial experts. Andrew Tate has often criticized financial experts and their advice, implying that they are often wrong and that people should rely more on their gut instincts. While it's true that the quality of financial experts may vary, it is still vital to seek advice from trustworthy and reputable sources. Ignore financial experts. Andrew Tate has criticized financial experts and their advice, suggesting that they are frequently incorrect and that people should rely on their intuition. While it's valid that financial experts vary in quality, it remains crucial to seek advice from reputable sources. Take big risks. Andrew Tate advises people to take substantial risks when investing. Although taking risks may yield high returns, it can also result in substantial losses. Striking a balance between risk and reward is crucial. Values are the backbone of financial success, and for Andrew Tate, those values are ingrained in hard work, discipline, and calculated risk-taking. Join me as we navigate through his insights, a roadmap forged from experience. Andrew Tate's bedrock principle: focus on the long game. He advocates for investing in assets that stand the test of time. assets poised to appreciate over the years. It's not about quick wins, but rather strategic moves that pave the way for lasting financial stability. But that's not all. Andrew cautions against the allure of impulse purchases. For him, it's a red flag in the world of financial success. Instead, he champions mindful spending, emphasizing the importance of distinguishing between wants and needs. Saving money, a fundamental cornerstone in the Tate doctrine. Andrew's advice echoes the necessity of a well-crafted budget, a blueprint that steers individuals towards financial freedom. It's not just about earning, it's about strategically managing those earnings. While Andrew Tate's financial wisdom might have been met with skepticism due to some contentious remarks, it's founded on personal experiences that have indeed steered many towards financial success. His principles, though bold, have resonated with those seeking a path to prosperity.
Okay, I'll tell you.
What would you do? What would you do? No, seriously, there's no guns here.
So let's dissect the playbook of Andrew Tate, a maverick in the financial realm. His values, hard work, discipline, and calculated risk-taking are the compass guiding many towards a future of financial empowerment. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's adventure into the wild world of Andrew Tate's financial wisdom. We've combed through the treasure trove of advice, unveiling the pearls and, well, some potential pear-shaped counsel along the way. Did you find yourself nodding in agreement or scratching your head at some of Tate's tips? Trust me, even the best advice can sometimes feel like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. But hey, that's the beauty of navigating the financial maze. We're all in this together. We hope this exploration into the best and worst of Andrew Tate's guidance left you both enlightened and perhaps even entertained. Because let's face it, finance talk doesn't always have to be as dry as burnt toast. We're here to sprinkle a little fun into the financial circus. Now, before you dash off, we're all ears. Share your thoughts, questions, or even your own hilarious financial advice gone wrong stories down below. Let's turn this comment section into a laugh-out-loud financial support group.